Here's a pair of the Soundcore Q20i headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So first thing we should do is put these headphones into pairing mode. You'll know that these are in pairing modes if you look at the one ear cup here with the buttons, and the light here is blinking blue, 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 just like this, okay? So let me show you how to put this in pairing mode, okay? So the headphones are currently on. Let me turn these off first. The middle button here is the power button. Let me press and hold for a few seconds until it turns off. Okay, it turned off. Okay, now in order to manually put this in pairing mode, the next thing we have to do is while the headphones are off, we're going to press and hold that power button and keep holding until it starts blinking blue here. So we'll do it together, all right? Headphones are off, power button ready, go. Press and hold. Now keep holding. Just wait. It's going to be white blinking and wait till it turns blue. Blue blinking light. Still holding. Oh, there it is. Blue blinking light. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to the Samsung TV. Go directly to your remote. So you can click on the settings button on your remote if you have one. If not, navigate to the home page. Click on the home button on your remote. And then just move left. And let's go down to settings here. Then we're going to select on all settings. And then we're going to go to sound, go down, sound right there, select that. Now you see sound output. Currently it's going to the TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these headphones here. So let's select sound output. From here, we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. Let's select that. And now you see that it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. Now I have a bunch of other headphones and earbuds that are paired to this, but we have to find the Soundcore. Let's see if I found it. It's still in the pairing mode. It's still blinking blue here. It's blinking blue. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Q20i Soundcore needs pairing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and highlight it, select it, then pair and connect. And I just heard a connecting chime on the headphones, and you can see right up here it says the Q20i is now connected. Pretty simple. So there you go. Now if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.